This is a story of a hedgehog and a hare. One day, a hare met a hedgehog and he said,
Hello, Hedgehog. Your legs are so crooked and funny.
What are you laughing at? My legs are crooked, but I can win a race with you if you want.
Okay, let's run a race.
Okay, I will go home and when I come back, we will start the race.
The hedgehog went to his home and said to his wife,
I have a disagreement with the hare. I shall run a race with him.
You are mad. Hare's legs are nimble and yours crooked and slow.
His legs are nimble, but my wits are nimble. Come on, you shall do as I say. Come on to the racetrack.
Then both the hedgehog and his wife went to the plowed field where the hare was waiting. The hedgehog and his wife finally reached the plowed field, and Hedgehog told his wife his idea.
You shall sit here and I will race with him at the other end. And when we both race, I will turn and I will go back. And when the hare reach here, you come out and say, I was waiting for a so long time.
Okay.
He cannot understand both of us.
Then the hedgehog went to the start point to race with the hare. So the race between the hedgehog and the hare started. And as the hare took the lead, the hedgehog quietly turned back and hid in this end of the furrow. The hare ran with all his strength, but on the other end, what did he see?
I have been waiting for you a long time. What? You run faster than me? Let's run one more time. Okay. Okay.
So the hedgehog's wife and the hare started to run again. And Hedgehog's wife played the same trick. As the hare took the lead, she turned back and hid in her own furrow again. The hare ran with all his might. But when he reached the other end, what did he see?
Hey brother, I was waiting for a so long time.
What? The miracle? How can you outrun me? Let's run again.
Okay, brother.
So the hedgehog and hare started to run again. And the hare ran between the two ends of the furrow again and again and again, till he was totally exhausted. And he accepted defeat and never ever challenged the hedgehog again for him. Thank you.